boxing.
Right.
Because I've actually seen you box. I've seen you box before. I know you got the ability to make people miss. But like you said, here's Landy Laura. That's not really a fair barometer, in my opinion.
Hey, that's not what he asked for.
That's
just like he got exactly what he asked for, just like Kell Brook. He went out there on Twitter. He went on Twitter. Twitter.
On YouTube. I thought it was, I know he was saying
DC, typical DC clown. Get out your mouth, come get a baby, get you out your mama house.
He said that?
Yeah, he went on Twitter. He went on Laura. So we was like, okay, you gonna get your turn. We ain't saying that you gonna get your turn, but
let me fight a southpaw, and as soon as I get in the group of southpaw,
the same thing. Listen. The same thing we're telling you now. We had a fight. We had a fight. Austin Trout to get ready for Lara. Now we need to fight right-hander to get ready for Jermaine. It's the same thing. It's the same scenario.
Would you use Brook as a tune-up?
Listen, Brook put himself out there, right? So he's gonna use himself as a tune-up.
Well, you know, if that fight happened, be prepared for the videos I do with the Kell Brook impression. Y'all already know what I'm gonna do.
People think that if, you know what I mean? All right, man, good work, bro. People think that is I heard some of the Mr. Rodriguez disrespect. Listen, I never intention to disrespect. I train on the fighter. That's not in my MO. I respect any fighter that goes in the ring. I got great, as a former fighter, I got a great deal of respect for him. And there's no need for disrespect. But he put himself out there. Okay? Just like Lara did, he put himself out there. So now you got to man up, put up, shut up, or check out. One or the other.
Let me go ahead and say it. Basically, what these brothers are saying, welcome to DC. Keep jumping yourself out there. You gonna get what you asked for.
So Charlo gonna get the fight. Trust me, he gonna get the fight.
Keep jumping yourself out there, Kell Brook. Why did Kell Brook jump himself out there? No.
He might be damaged goods. He might be damaged goods.
Well,
no, that's definitely his problem.
That was the wrong person.
Definitely
damaged goods.
He might be damaged goods.
Somebody else.
Like I said, he's not the only one. You know, so I don't want him to feel special. You know what I'm saying? Because he didn't want to jump out there, so we just we feeding off of what he said.
And you should. Absolutely right. And he's short. He's 5. He's my height. Yeah, he's little. Like I interviewed him at your fight, and he's 1 inch taller than me, maybe.
There are other fighters out there that can be made. So don't feel too special, Kell Brook. You know what I'm saying? There are plenty of fighters out there that can be made. Especially at 150.
You know you special, K, but don't feel too special.
Right? I was thinking that. You beat me to it. Yeah.
We even got Tony Hurst. We like Tony Hurst.
Oh, he wants a rematch. Oh, yeah. Let's talk about it. Yeah.
You know what I'm
he wants a rematch.
We like Tony. That's my man. Tony Hurst. So, but like I said, there are fights out there that we can get, and we feel very comfortable. We're going to get a fight that we want, we like, we feel very comfortable in transition to Jarrett Charlo. So, you know, it's coming, baby.
So you would like that Tony Harrison rematch? You would do the Tony Harrison rematch?
We like whatever makes sense. Whatever makes sense, we like.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
I mean, he really don't deserve it.
You gotta think about this too. Up a new champion, WBO guy.
Munguia, yeah.
You would like him?
Yeah, we just said that.
Hey,
I just said I like him, but I don't.
I ain't mean McGee on call already.
He young.
No, we're not calling.
I know.
We're not calling anyone out. We're just saying that that's a fight that we would like as well. You know what I'm saying?
The belt, so you know I process in my mind.
Yeah, because you literally can unify and then go up. If you choose to go up to 60, choose to go up to 60.
Because after the Jamel follow fight unification, we're gonna move up. We're bigger and better. 160.
160, then you get his brother.
When we get there, we'll talk about it.
There's only one guy to fight them both, but that's Austin Trout. You know what I mean? Well, we're June 9th. June 9th, he'll be being a fight both of them.
Yeah, they're very good fighters, man. So, you know,
that's gonna be a crowded division, man. And they not relinquishing nothing. Triple G is not gonna fight no one black of substance.
Nope.
And Canelo is just.
That's my problem.
That's he's not a belt holder, but they presenting him as like he's a belt holder.
Really, it's gonna be for you to take. Cause
we're fighting too. Yeah, put him right there. You know, the money right.
He ain't fighting, man. He ain't. Canelo ain't fighting.
Because he could have fought you at 154.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. He could have fought you when they thought you were green. You know what I mean? Like, oh, we can. No, they ain't doing none of that.
Seriously, my dad is of the belief that Canelo don't want to fight nobody that could put pressure on him. He said Jarrett put a lot of pressure on you and make you have to fight. Somebody like that, Canelo want to sit back and he just don't think that he want to fight nobody like that. Right now, he's hungry. You see, like I said, like we were saying earlier, it's fights that you want to see. You know, the Thurman Spence fight, people want to see that. But that's not happening because you got one guy saying, I want to fight, and the other guy not saying that. This is one of the few fights where you had the best two in the way that's saying, hey, we want to fight.
There's no doubt.
Yeah, so.
You heard it from both of them.
Right.
So when you have a fight like that, I know you're preparing for your fight, but do you take like 10 minutes out of like a training session and prepare for like a Jermell Charlo, or is that disrespectful to your opponent? I'm just trying to think pragmatically. Like, say like that's your Super Bowl per se, because after that you say you may move up to 160, depending on how green the grass is.
What you're saying is what we said. I guess I understand what you're saying. When we fought Austin Trout, we knew he was fighting Austin Trout, but we were preparing for everything live. Is that what you're saying?
Yes.
So there's no disrespect to the fighter, but
yeah.
you know the mindset is, you know we got to take care of this problem, but the big picture is that. So you're preparing for the fighter and you're preparing for the other one as well. So,
okay.
So yeah, I guess you could say that. But there's no disrespect to any fighter.
Well, you don't come off as disrespectful. No one in watching this video will see you as being disrespectful.
We respect fighting, man. It takes a real man to get between the ropes and go in and fight. So we have big ups respect to all the fighters, regardless of records or accomplishments, man. You know, our job is to uplift people, not to break them down.
My last one, I know y'all want to go in this late, but he told us a story about how he told you you're not signing with no one but Al Heyman.
Oh yeah. That's who we wanted to get with. You know, we reached out to a few people coming up, you know, because Al Heyman was one of the bigger promoters. But that was always the goal, to get to Al Heyman.
Wow.
And you know, we had a videographer, Chris Walton, that grew up with me. He put a little video together for us. We sent it out. And he was responsible, man. You know, he said, I'm gonna put him on the show. So he was over here at the convention center, fight with Dusty Harris. And I knocked the guy out the first round. And after that, he eventually signed.
Wow.
So I was like, yeah.
And then he also told us he had already predicted if you sign with Al by your 20th fight, you would have a belt.
But that's what's so crazy. I said, what, that's the wizard or something? Look, he not only said 20th fight, it was on the 20th fight, you know what I mean?
Wow.
And then even when in some of the fights, I'm not full Frank Galaza. We had video, coming over when I entered the storm, you know.
Check it out.
A video saying that's what I'm saying, man. Jerry's going to stop him in the 6th round. It's going to be all right for the first two rounds. We fill him out. In the 4th, 5th round, we go pick up and eventually stop him in the 6th round. And that's exactly how the fight.
And I say he was going to stop Austin Trout in the 10th round.
Yeah, and he said I was going to stop Austin Trout.
Really? It was the 10th round?
Yeah.
I predicted a stoppage in that fight too.
Yeah, I remember the video about that. I was psyched. I was psyched.
Yeah.
And I also predicted him fighting for the belt, not only for 20, but when before even Jermell let the bell go. I told him, I said, before it even happened, before I said, you know what's going to happen? I said, Jermell gonna let that bell go, and y'all gonna fight. Jamal gonna let the bell go, and y'all gonna fight for the vacant title.
Right. Me and Tony Harris lined up, but we just fight for the #1 spot. Fight Jamal.
How did you feel going into the round before the knockout? Did you think you were behind? Did you think you were ahead? How was that?
On fight night, Nesto grabbed my face just like they said, you are the unified champion. All you gotta do is make it out this round, baby. Make it out this round. Saying like that. That's how y'all talking about with Law, right?
No, not Law, Tony Harrison.
Oh, Tony Harrison.
Oh yeah, we went to the 9th round. I mean, in the 9th round, I felt the fight was close. I felt like I was coming back. I felt like he was kind of winning.
Momentum was going to your side. Momentum was on.
Yeah, momentum on my side. In the corner with me and Nesto, I always ask Nesto, I'll be like, I come at the corner, he's like, come on, Jerry, you gotta pick up. I said, I ain't winning round. He's like, nah, you winning round. I'm like, okay, I don't know if you're down, I don't know if you're up. So I'm more aware, like, pick it up some, or you winning, man. You know, things like that. I want to know during the fight, like, am I up? Do I need to pick it up some more? Do I need to pick, you know what I mean? I want to know how on the outside looking in, because I can feel a certain way on the outside. People looking at the whole fight different way.
Okay.
So I want to know during the fight, like, if my up, do I need to pick it up? What I need to do? And you know, we always in between rounds communicate about that. Like I say, like I feel like I won a round, and he said, "Man, you leaving that round too close." I was like, "I didn't win that round." Well, maybe I'm getting hit too much. I feel like I'm doing a good output. I'm getting hit too much. So I just try to switch up things each round.
There was a moment in a Laura fight. I don't know if it was the second or third round. You went back to your corner like, I got him. Did you remember that moment? What was that? What was that went off in your head?
Like I said, I feel in rounds I feel when I'm doing well, and I feel rounds where I feel like that round.
Okay.
And I feel like that round, the momentum started changing.
I thought something clicked in your head. Like I see something that I saw you like, I got him.
Oh yeah. One thing for sure, I always kind of want to be a little aware before I run out there to see if they do got the crack to watch out for that punch. And first round, Laura let me know early. He covered a good straight left. And I was like, why? He got a little pop.
Is the first round always tough? Like, is the first round? I've only sparred. I've never walked up and.
We have a rule that we stick to. We know that the first 3 rounds are always the most dangerous fight in any fight, regardless who you're fighting, because the fighter he's fresh, he's strong, he feels confident, you know. So we always say our fight starts round 4 on there, because the first 3 rounds we're not looking at exchange with you. We're looking to feel you out, you know, analyze and see what you got.
Trying to box, you want to stand toe to toe.
But we want to win the round.
Obviously.
And my last question, guys. So during that Laura fight, like you said, when he said he got him,
it was like the second or third round. I thought.
I kind of felt like around the 4th or 5th round, you felt like he was breaking down.
Oh yeah, definitely.
I could kind of see it though. Very few times you see that, but you could see around the 4th or 5th round, you took a pickup of energy. Like, okay, I got what it. I think I got it.
Like a possessed man.
Right. So when you had dropped him in the last round, I was shocked he got back up.
And that's the thing. Like I was saying, man, because of the mentality I had, I could have went out there and tried to, move around just to survive the fight, thinking, yes, I won this, I got it. But I wanted to close the show, and because I went out there the way I did, I got that knockout.
With that icing on that cake.
Right. Otherwise, man, they could have stolen the fight.
Yeah, they could have stolen the fight from me, or I could have won it.
I had you winning. I mean, I may have been influenced because your team was just fucking ape shit in the media room, and the media said, I swear to God, but I had it 8-4. I swear to God, I had it 8-4. I'm not fucking with y'all because I would tell you, because my prediction video, I swear to God to you, I was like, common sense says pick Laura. You can go back to my video. I said, but no, my heart and is telling me to go with fucking Hurd. Go with Hurd. I swear to God.
A lot of people lost some money.
Yeah, But I had you guys up 8-4.
I won money.
Oh, you want some big money?
I'm not gonna lie. I'm not supposed to be saying this, but I bet twice on him, and I've won money.
Really? You supposed to. I'll be honest. I bet Floyd blind every time. He can't lose in Vegas. No, how the fuck Floyd Mayweather gonna lose in Vegas? I know it. You know the game. Look at Canelo now. You see the game now. You know what I mean? So, man.
I had to get some of that McGregor money. People was jumping on that.
Yeah.
Look, the good thing is where I worked, there was a lot of others, not brothers. So they were, hell yeah, Floyd, he can't beat him. There's no way. There's no way.
They gotta be the dumbest motherfucker.
Never go wrong with that.
Never go.
Like on yourself.
Jerry Cooney is alive and well, isn't he? Damn.
Boy.
Never go wrong, man. That's boxing, man.
Wait till somebody 154 with the right complexion for the protection get up in there. Man, wait till Jarrett fight him. I'm putting all of them, because he's gonna be an underdog, whatever they do.
we always come in underdog.
You make him an underdog no matter what he do. He got killed Godzilla.
It was 108, 1012 though. It was 108, 10. I don't know who was in the lead, but it was minus 108, minus 112 your fight. It closed. I remember that.
our mentality is we are always
You should be. You're right. Why not?
We are still the underdogs.
Because I mean, no disrespect, but Jamel's gonna be the sexy pick. Jamel's gonna be the when you fight him. Jamel's gonna be the sexy pick. Everyone's gonna start jumping out the window.
Well, they already making excuses for why Jamel should be the sexy pick. They like we were talking. Oh, he gets hit too much. Well, he got hit too much. He was supposed to get hit too much before the Laura fight. That's right.
Give me one fighter that he's fought better than him. His resume, in regards of his resume. See how you gotta think? We don't have to think for him. He fought the Olympian. He fought an Olympian.
Molina.
Garlarza, when he was coming up.
Garlarza.
The beast from New York, the beast from Brooklyn.
Yeah, you're right.
I mean, this kid was the hottest thing coming out.
I remember. It stopped him.
Coming in that fight, to be honest. That Charles Hadley fight. Charles Hadley made it more of a fight outside of the ring than in the ring. When he got in the ring, he did not look like he wanted to be there. He didn't look like he had the confidence that he had outside of the ring.
Well, I can tell you this, man. Talk is not going to phase you. This is one guy that I can tell you.
Right.
You can say whatever you say, and he's going to keep the same look the whole time. And that messes other people's head up. I seen it. I heard a fighter one time in the back. He didn't know I was with Jarrett that time. He said, man, he didn't even budge. The same look. I said, listen, talk it doesn't work here. It's not gonna work. When you get in that square,
what you better do is be in 12-round shit.
Wow.
That's some shit.
Man.
And look, I mean, you gotta look at it. Look, Jermell been a professional way before Jarrett.
Even just as an amateur, just overall boxer.
Right. And he had the championship before Jarrett. He could have got the opportunity to unify before Jarrett, but he didn't. You know, for whatever reason. So at this point, you know, you just, hey man, you gotta blame yourself for that. You could have been number one, but it wasn't meant to be.
That's gonna be a hell of a fight, man.
For a reason.
That's gonna be a hell of a fight.
I'm just, like I said, my whole problem is it's like they don't give him credit for who he was fighting when they say how much he got hit.
That's a great point, man.
And another thing they don't really give him credit for is like, okay, the older brother for Austin Trout, right? To a decision, right?
Some people pick.
How come nobody picks up that he stopped Austin Trout? He stopped him. But the consensus is that the other Charlo brother is the bigger puncher. I just don't get it. If the bigger puncher is the bigger brother that's in 160, he couldn't stop Trout. He stopped Trout. Why doesn't he get credit for his punching power?
But you know what? We wanted to be that way. We wanted to stay that way. Stay that way. We don't want you to change your mindset. We don't want you to be. We are not a threat.
Exactly. No, not at all.
Y'all live on the cul-de-sac. Y'all say.
Exactly.
We are not a threat by any means. Hey, everybody can beat him. That's what we want to think. Everybody can. Hey, Jarrett, everybody can beat you.
Everybody.
Until they
like
get
Mike said, Jamel, like Mike Tyson said, and this is a message to you. You got to play until you get punched in the face. And trust me, this man hits hard. I'm telling you, from mitts, just holding the mitts for him, this man hits extremely hard.
No, he don't. No, he hits on. No, he don't.
It's gonna be a hell of a fight, though. It's gonna be a hell of a fight.
Like this.
It's gonna be a hell of a fight. It's gonna be sold out wherever it's at. You know, boxing fans.
We just want to get that fight out of the way so we can get the big fight. You understand me?
Oh, he's gonna say that as disrespect. You already know Jamel gonna say that. Oh, this not my. You not calling me a big fight?
No, he's the big.
He is.
You just want to get your. You just want to get your tune-up Kell Brook out the way and then get your.
I ain't saying tune-up. We want to get a right-handed fighter so we can get the big fight. We are not looking to prolong the fight any longer than when it needs to be. That's why we are not interested in fighting Lara again. We can go back and fight Lara and make some more money. But we want the man, the Mister. You know, we want him. There's no doubt. It's all business.
Appreciate it.
We want. I shouldn't even be talking.
Appreciate y'all. Thank y'all, man. Appreciate y'all.
Thank you, fellas.